presenting a pre-owned 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Overland. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and a transmission. This Jeep has less than 142,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.